Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new product review. I went to Walmart to purchase my new carpet cleaner, my extractor from Bissell. This is the Little Green Pro. I wanted to clean the core. Seats are really nasty, and I remember I did this a long time ago. I did a little review on these products right here, and doing it by hand is really hard. And if you have a detailing business or you want to do something more effective, you need to try one of these, because for the reviews I think it's a pretty good purchase. I pay around $161. So I'm gonna put it to the test today. And this episode is gonna be for my series on how to detail for beginners. I'm gonna show you how to clean the interior, especially the seats. Applies to the carpet, but my carpet is not really bad. I'm gonna focus today especially on my seats, especially the rear seat. So let's get to it. I opened this yesterday. I don't know why. Bissell, they send you this sample, but this sample, it says right here that is for the uprights, so the big carpet cleaners, not the small ones. Why you guys send these if it's not for this machine? I don't know, but I haven't used it yet. So follow your instructions. Very simple, very clear on how to maintain, how to use, and how to clean everything. In this case, I'm not gonna use any detergent inside the machine. I'm just gonna use hot water, because I'm gonna use this product. I'm gonna agitate the surface with this new brush that I get too. The link is gonna be in the description for everything, but I get a new brush because I wanna do it easier. If it's not really strong, which I believe it is, very slow, not strong, is just to agitate products, I can put this on my drill and go faster. This brush is really soft, so it's not gonna damage my upholstery. If you have another type like a suede or like a leather, don't use this, but in my case should be fine. I'm not gonna go on detail on unboxing the product. It's just pretty straightforward. You put water on one of the tanks. This tank right here is to catch all the dirty stuff, and this tank is to put the solution. Just turn it upside down, open it up, put the warm water in it, and your solution. In this case I'm just gonna use warm water. Once I have this ready, put it back on, turn it on, and start using it. As simple as that. So let's go straight to the test. To do the demonstration even better, I'm gonna remove the seat and remove the car from the garage so you guys can see better the cleaning and how dirty this seat is. Look at that. We want to focus on that. I have it to the line just with hot water. Machine is ready. First thing, use the vacuum. I have the machine ready. This is ready to clean. I'm only going to clean half of the seat so you can see the difference. If you have solution, you can press this little button here to spray some solution into the carpet or fabric. Wow, this thing works really good. I like it. Now I'm gonna focus on this area a little bit more. I might put some more solution to clean it, and then just spray some water from the extractor and take everything out. You'll see how dirty the water is gonna be at the end of the episode. But guys, you can see the difference right there. Took me like 15 minutes. I went on it and I spent some time just to clean it a little bit more. And you can see, I don't even need to put tape on it. You can see how dirty the seat is compared to that. This machine makes the job a lot easier. The stain over there is gone. Looks a lot better. And obviously, this is a 21-year-old seat. And right here, we have the dirty water. That is really gross. Look at that. How nasty. And this is only half of the seat. I'm gonna do the other half. And water. Yeah, I have plenty. I still have like half of it. I have my new extractor and everything else that you see, link is gonna be in the description. If you wanna get one of these, you can go to Walmart. But everything else that you see in the episode, you're gonna see links in the description. So there you have it, guys. That's my little review on the Bissell Little Green Pro. And I hope you like this little episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.